Auto insurance in New York has become dramatically more expensive, with drivers paying more than 50% above the national average. And according to Catherine Wild, President and CEO of the Partnership for New York City, excessive litigation is a major reason why. Speaking at a recent fireside chat on New York's car insurance affordability crisis, Wild highlighted findings from the Partnership's report. Excessive litigation is driving New York's affordability crisis, pointing to fraud, staged accidents tied to the no-fault insurance system, rising repair costs, and nuclear jury awards over $10 million as key drivers of higher premiums. She noted that states like Florida and Michigan have lowered costs by reforming their insurance laws, capping medical expenses, limiting lawsuits, and shortening statutes of limitations, resulting in premium reductions of up to 10%. With New York rates expected to rise again next year, Wild says lawmakers have a clear opportunity to act so if you care about affordable insurance and smart policy. Comment below, subscribe to the Coverage Council, and stay informed.